Hey all, welcome back to SLB Basement Bourbon Bar. I am Kurt Ludington, your resident host and bartender. This is another episode of 2 Minute Tuesdays where we mix low ingredient cocktails in 2 minutes or less. Today we're going to be mixing up a beautiful Mezcal cocktail that we like to call Smoke and Mirrors. I'm really getting into Mezcal lately and this is outstanding. I'm going to start out with 3 dashes, orange bitters. Once I've done that, I'm just going to put in 1 teaspoon of Demarara syrup. You don't need much, just 1 teaspoon. I'm using Amaro Nonino today, and I'm just going to pour in 1 full ounce. Lastly, I've got 1 ounce of Mezcal. Today we're using Maguey Vida. Get some ice in the glass and we'll give it a stir. Just going to stir it down until we get a nice chill on the outside of the glass. I've got a single rocks glass with a beautiful clear rock of ice. Just give it a quick pour. No garnish necessary, and that's what we call the Smoke and Mirrors. That is freaking outstanding. You get the smoke off the Mezcal, the Nonino, the rest of the ingredients. Honest to God, that's absolutely outstanding. Please like and subscribe and drink responsibly. See ya.